Hi, top of the morning to you. It's Andreas at Metal Pressions here to give you a quick design tutorial for a fun St. Patrick's Day charm. It's only going to take about a minute and a half. If you don't have the attention for that, then you've probably got ADD. So, throwing up a silver charm with a gold rim to start. And if you didn't know, St. Patrick's Day in Savannah is quite a big deal. We have one of the largest parades in the country next to like Boston and New York. Now, it started way back in 1824 with this Iberian Society, and they had a bunch of people come in and parade around the streets. And around 1870, it started to get a little more formalized. Apparently, no alcohol back then. Who knows? Just kidding. It is a huge party. The city swells to like 300,000 plus people come in to see this. It's ridiculous. It's a big, fun mess. If you haven't been, you should put it on your bucket list. So I've rockered some text top and bottom to commemorate our visit to Savannah for St. Pat's. And we're going to find a little accent here. I had to look up the difference between a shamrock and a four-leaf clover. So a shamrock has three. A four-leaf clover has, well, four leaves, obviously. The three leaves stand for hope, faith, and love. The fourth is the luck of the Irish. So we've got that in place. Looks pretty good, filling up the space nicely, and we are going to tune that just a little bit, and we're going to now add some maybe color. A little color. There's a little negative space left and right that's bugging me, so we'll throw in some stones. Green, perhaps. Drag those into place, and ta-da! You have a St. Pat's Day charm in about a minute and a half.